Hello, I'm Todd Legler from the Embedded Business Unit, and I'm here to talk about drones that are used for agriculture. Here we have the Parrot fixed-wing drone, which contains a multispectral sensor, and that sensor is capturing the red band, the green band, and 2 infrared bands. This data that it's captured is sent up to the cloud where AI is used to do the analysis. That information is then sent back to the farmer within a couple hours where he can use that to do the herbicide application from the tractor. This technology is using to help farmers do a better job in the fields. And here I want to talk about the memories that are used is a low power DRAM and NAND in a multi-chip package. And this is a space-saving solution that's used for the in-flight operation.